Hello again, my Cricut lovers. I hope your new year has gotten off to a good start. Today I'm going with the font theme. I'm going to show you how different ways of how to access the fonts that have special characters like glyphs and things like that, and how to get them into Design Space to make your font more fancy. So I'm going to start a new project. Okay, I'm going to insert text, and I'm going to stick with that same font that I used in the last video, Amistry, because one, I love it, and two, I know that it has lots of special characters for your capital letters and for lowercase letters. Just going to use my name. Click on the search for my fonts, and it's Amistry Script. And just like last time, it came in with just the normal characters. So there are two different ways. There is a on your computer for PCs. I'm not sure. I've never used a Mac. So there's probably something like this on the Apple as well. It's called Character Map, and if you go to your search, and type in Character Map. This is popped up on the screen that you can't see, but if you do a search and type in Character Map, it pops up, and if you right click on it, if you want to get to it quickly, you can pin it to your taskbar. So I already have it open, and here's where you do your search and find the script that you're looking for. Okay, Amistry Script, and it shows you most all of the characters, and then here's all the special ones. And make sure that you've got it on Unicode, and sometimes if they don't show up, Unicode, and then if you search for Unicode subrange and then go down here to your private use characters, it'll take you right to that section, because sometimes you'll have to scroll and scroll and scroll to find your special characters. So this comes in really tiny, and it's really hard to see. So I have another option, but I'll show you how to do it from here. So if you find one you like and click select, it puts it right in this little thing right here for you. And then if you click on copy, you can come in here, double click on your text to get your little box back, right click and paste, and then you've brought in your character. And it makes a funny little box down here, but as long as it loads here, that's okay. So the option I like to use is a program I've downloaded from High Tech Logic. It's called MainType. For PC users, it's free. If you have under 2,500 fonts, you can use it for free. You just go in and download it, and it is for Windows. So I already have it downloaded, and I have it open. It shows you all your font names and gives you some information about them, how many characters. And then over on this side, it shows you all your special characters, and it comes in pretty large over here. You can take it down just a little bit, and then you can insert it over here. Add it to my sample. Right click and add it to your sample like that. And then if you highlight the character you want, right click and copy, and then return to your design space, and once again add it into your text box. And there it is. So I'm going to delete these two and try to find a B and an I that I like, maybe a D. I'm going to use this one because I like it much better. Okay, so I'll go to where my eyes are, pick a couple, add that to my sample. Maybe add that one to my sample. And you can put as many as you would like over here. So I'm going to copy these three. And paste them. I'm going to take my screen down a little bit to 75% where we can see more. Okay, that's pretty cool. So I'm going to leave that and go find a B. So I'll go back over here. Let's see, that's my lowercase letters. This font has so many to choose from. I really like it. Okay, so that's the lowercase. Well, I don't see any capital letters. Well, interesting. Okay, well, let's look at the D's. I like that one. And I like that one, so we'll copy these two. And paste those in as well. Okay, and they've showed up over here. Okay, so I am going to ungroup, and I learned something new yesterday watching a video. I'd never paid attention that a quick way to ungroup your font is you can come over here and do it as well, or you can do it the way I had showed you yesterday. In the previous video. It was a couple days ago, where you can come up here and ungroup like that. Okay, I'm going to take my screen down a little bit further so we can see. Okay, I really like this D. So we'll get rid of that one. And I'm going to send this. You could have also right-clicked and ungroup for the letters. I forgot about that as well. Okay, so I moved the D to the back where I could click on the I and get rid of him. And we'll go with this more simpler one. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. Okay, I'm really liking that D. Okay, and that's probably not what I would choose to cut out. I know this eye looks a little weird, but that was just to show you how to get your special characters into Design Space. And then we'll go ahead and weld everything together. And that's how you use your glyphs and your special characters. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and go on the hunt for your special characters. Again, Happy New Year, and thank you for watching.